a subtraction problem here for you. I want you to subtract the rational expressions. Okay, so we're looking at 1 over x plus 6 minus 3 over x plus 2. Subtract. Go. Alright, we know that before we can add or subtract with fractions, we've got to have a common denominator. So I'm looking here at x plus 6 and x plus 2. That's not the same thing. That's not a common denominator. So to get my common denominator, I'm going to actually take the product of those two. So I'm going to take x plus 6 times x plus 2. That's going to be my common denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and get it ready on both sides. Okay, here on the left side with the 1, it already had the x plus 6. The new thing we gave the bottom was x plus 2, so I got to give the x plus 2 on the numerator as well. Okay, here on the right with the 3, it already had the x plus 2. The new thing we gave was the x plus 6, so I got to give the x plus 6 on the top as well. Okay, now you're looking at distributing on the top. Luckily with that 1, you distribute a 1, there's not any work to do there. 1 times x stays x, and 1 times 2 stays 2. So you got x plus 2. Minus, here on this side, that gets me a 3x plus 18. Now be careful here when we subtract, we're subtracting that whole thing. So in my like terms, I've got 1x minus 3x, that's negative 2x, and then I've got 2 minus 18, that's negative 16. Still my common denominator. Now if I could simplify that any farther, I would. Like I know I could take a negative 2 out of the numerator. If I took a negative 2 out, that'd leave me with an x plus 8. But that wouldn't let me ninja anything, so it really wouldn't do me any good. It'd just be pointless. So this is going to be our final answer.